Over the next 1 to 3 years, the biggest challenges that Orion is facing is the increased utilization of our network. We're seeing a 50% growth of use by our membership across the province.
We chose Alcatel-Lucent because they had the most technology advanced solution for us. They met all our requirements, and very importantly, they were the only one at the time to have 100G commercially available using a single DWDM carrier.
In the next 3 minutes, you will see why Orion used the market-leading Alcatel-Lucent 100G transport solution to better support and facilitate research, education, collaboration, and innovation in Ontario. Alcatel-Lucent provides a complete solution based on single-carrier 100G coherent technology. You'll see why this solution provides the best combination of scalability, high performance, and low total cost of ownership.
Orion's primary purpose is to lead and connect all of the research and education institutions in Ontario. So that includes universities and colleges and research hospitals and all the K-12 school boards across the entire province.
The Orion network is a 6,000 kilometer long fiber-based network. Today we operate about 26 POPs, or points of presence, and we are going up to 29.
So Orion members benefit directly by moving to 100G for 2 reasons. One is that they're currently looking at expanding into video systems and video teleconference and large video files that they're using for online learning. The second thing is they're starting to access the cloud for cloud applications. And obviously, in order to access the cloud, you need more bandwidth, and Orion will provide that bandwidth with their 100G.
There are several drivers that pushed us to upgrade to 100G. The first and main one is the dramatic increase in traffic growth. The second driver is the use of multimedia applications.
So 100G was the logical choice for us. And Alcatel-Lucent is always at the leading edge of developing those products. And we figured that it was a perfect partnership, not just for today, but leading into the future.
Within the Orion network.
Within the Orion network.
An upgrade from 10 gigabits per second to 100 gigabits per second is a pretty remarkable activity to be done. And we did it in quite a very short period of time. We couldn't have done it without the partnership with Alcatel-Lucent.
The primary benefit is for our members. It will allow them to carry more traffic over our network, and it will address the needs of researchers for high bandwidth capacity over 10 gig or even 100 gig pipes across our network. The total cost of ownership is another benefit of the Alcatel-Lucent solution. It allowed us to reuse the existing fiber plant, reduced our equipment footprint, and also reduce the power consumption, which is really important to us.
For Orion, our future is all about our members. We've got 1.8 million users represented through over 100 institutions. This is not just about a technology network, but how do we use technology to support our membership and their needs? And it's not the ideas of today, but the ideas of tomorrow and how they can make this happen. And a great partnership with Alcatel-Lucent is enabling us to use that technology to reach out to provide those services that our customers need.
The 100G solution from Alcatel-Lucent has resulted in a cost-effective network backbone that supports new and innovative ways of enabling advanced research, innovation, and scientific discovery. It is helping Ontario to be a research, education, knowledge mobilization, and innovation leader.